Hey guys, welcome back. Today's episode, we're going to talk about mobile phones. I think 2023 has been the year for foldable phones. If you look at the number of manufacturers in the market, everybody is churning out a flip phone or a foldable phone. What we have today here is the Oppo Find N3. I'm not going to waste time talking about its performance, gaming on the phone, and everything. What I like about the phone is its clamshell design, and it's the only flip phone that comes with 3 cameras at the front. Oppo claims that this is one heck of a portrait photography phone. I don't know how it is yet, but I'll be taking it out soon to the streets, and let's see how it goes about. The phone has a storage capacity of 256 gigabytes. It comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset. There are 2 displays, a 6.8-inch internal display and a 3.5-inch external display, or cover display as Oppo calls it. Both displays are LTPO AMOLED displays and has 120Hz refresh rate. Oppo has also ensured that the device gets sufficient power from a 4300 mAh battery. There are a total of 4 camera sensors located on the phone, 3 on the rear and 1 on the front as a selfie camera. The front has a 32 megapixel sensor, while the rear has a 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel and 32 megapixel sensor. I've been mainly shooting with the 2x sensor mainly because it mimics the 50mm lens of a mirrorless camera. 50mm is an amazing focal distance for taking amazing portrait. I will be including some shots taken at the end of the video, so stick around and look out for it. Also, what's more impressive here is the color profile or the color signs that the photos come. Once you've captured a photo on the device, the AI enhancement layer kicks in. You can, of course, control whatever you want with it. Okay? But what's impressive is the neutral color signs that Hasselblad has implemented in the phone. The colors are not extremely in contrast. The colors is not popping like what you would see in certain mobile devices. It's just nice. It's just nice. That's the perfect way to actually put it out there, that the color signs of the images captured on this phone is just nice. So when you have the phone unfolded like this, you can actually rest it on top any surface. Okay, and this what happens here is actually this simulates the usage of a tripod. So this lower form of the phone actually rests on the surface and becomes the base structure where it rests upon. And you can also turn on the camera and use the external display to focus onto yourself to actually reflect upon the image you're shooting. So what's unique about it is that you get to actually use it as a solo shooter. So besides actually using it as a selfie camera, what you can also do with the flex form, this is what Oppo is calling it. Oppo is calling it the flex form. So what you can actually do with flex form is that you can actually shoot from the hip, mimicking FPV scenarios, first-person view scenarios. And I think it's a pretty amazing feature that Oppo has included this time. What do I think about the phone? I mean, clamshell aside, the camera performance of this phone is amazing. I think it's a really good flip phone. I mean, you use a flip phone as any other normal phone, but the great standout feature here is the triple camera setup. If you're into photography or videography, it's an amazing companion. And I am mightily impressed with how Hasselblad has tuned the color profile, how these camera sensors work, and the nice touch of the AI enhancement layer. All in all, I think it's a splendid device. Good job, Oppo.